Hello YouTube, welcome back. It's your old friend Sirens and Railroads in New Jersey here. Today it's going to be pretty upsetting because today is the 17th anniversary that the Twin Towers have collapsed and killed dozens of people, actually hundreds of people. So in memory of 9/11, we're going to do a moment of silence and a horn and a few blasts of my air horn. May God bless all the loved ones. So we're going to do a moment of silence. Okay. And that was for you guys. When you guys bowed your head and closed your eyes about this, you should have thought of what happened that day. So on that note, please stand for our 9/11 horn blast. Once again, may God bless all the loved ones. And that is the end of our little ceremony here. So thanks for watching and thank you for joining me. I'm Noah, and I'll see you guys in the next video.